you guys. Right now it is 6:22 in the morning. Right now I'm just sitting in my car waiting for it to warm up. I kind of took you guys a little bit around my morning routine, but I think I might do like a dedicated student teaching morning routine because I've really stuck to it the past few weeks and I'm really proud of myself for that, for doing as much as I have. So 6:22, it takes me about 50 minutes to get there, so I should be there by 7:10-ish. And then maybe if I have a chance, I'll do like a little pan around of my classroom for you guys to see. Today I have only 2 periods that I'm teaching because both of my preps are on A days, but I have a lot to do. My first period I have to make brownies for both of my classes for today, and then I will be making my brownies for my class tomorrow during 3rd period. So there's a lot to get done, and I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you while I'm actually there, but hopefully I can give you like a little overview of my classroom. Hey guys, I just finished up my school day, so I got the chance to kind of give you a little overview of my classroom, and I showed you the brownies that I made for my lesson plan today. The brownies were basically to teach my 7th graders about food styling and food photography, and I had like in like squeezy bottles I had hot fudge and caramel, sprinkles, whipped cream, sprigs of mint for them to decorate a brownie, and then they take a photo of it, and then next time they're gonna vote on who had the best decorated brownie. It's basically for this overarching project, so I'm just teaching them little bits of things. So everything in class went really well today. Today was a Monday, which that means it's early out and the teachers have to stay, unfortunately. So all those times that students had early outs, the teachers stay. And I met with my mentor teacher's collaboration group. A collaboration group is basically where like a few teachers who teach the same subject get together every Monday, and they just kind of talk about like where their students are at. That sometimes they teach similar things, stuff like that. Tonight I'm going to go home. I have to do some grading. I had my sewing students sew a key fob project, so I'm going to grade those, take photos for my teacher work sample, which is like my overarching project for my graduation. Basically I have to pass that in order to get my teaching license. And then my in-laws are having a dinner, so me and my husband are gonna go to that.
Very best to always be there, and the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more.
Okay, so I finished my grading, thank heavens. I'm here with my El Esposo. Where are we going, babe?
We're going to my parents' house to visit my crazy ass family.
Oh, we're gonna have fun, get some food. Do you know what they're eating?
No idea.
Hopefully it's something good. Then after we're done there, hopefully we're not gonna stay too late, because
Oh, I don't want to stay too late. I got a presentation I gotta do on Wednesday and I haven't done crap on it.
Make you mine, 'cause oh.
Good morning, you guys. I am just about to head into my classroom. It is Tuesday. Dinner went really well last night. We ended up leaving a little bit early just because we had to get to bed. And it was good to see everybody. It was good to see some extended family. Today I teach 4 periods straight, so it should be a pretty crazy busy day. And then after that, I go up to my 2nd placement school to meet my 2nd mentor teacher. So it's gonna be a busy day, so let's go.
Shades of blue.
Okay, I don't have a ton of time, but I am on my way now to my 2nd student teaching placement. It's the high school. It's about a 30-minute drive. I probably am gonna run in right after I get there, so. Hey guys, it is Wednesday morning and I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on what went down yesterday because I didn't get the chance to talk to you last night and my night just kind of got snatched from me. So I went to meet with my second placement mentor teacher. So my university does like a 7-7 split, so you're 7 weeks in your first placement at a junior high and then a 7-week placement at a high school for your second, or flip-flop depending on where you're at. So I went to meet with my high school mentor teacher, and once I get there, everything is going to be such a breeze because I'm only going to be teaching like 1.5 preps, which is like the classes that number of classes that you teach. I'm going to be teaching child development and early childhood education, which is the preschool. And so you have high school students that are teaching the preschool Monday through Thursday, so I'm pretty much just monitoring them. They're the ones writing the lesson plans, they're the ones that are planning the activities. So, and by the time I get there, they'll already be in the swing of things, so we shouldn't have any problems there. And then I will also be teaching child development, which that's like my normal, I'll be teaching that a few times a week. So that was a really good meeting. I was excited to meet with her because it just kind of takes the pressure off once you get there. So then after I got home, I got on all of the school district websites, which is kind of where you look for jobs, and there is an opening not too far from me, like I would be willing to commute there. And so I applied for that, and today's a slower day. I'm gonna do some lesson planning. Hopefully, I'll probably do it once I get home and I'll kind of explain to you guys how I lesson plan and show you kind of the lesson plans that I've done for next week and teach 2 periods, probably get some stuff ready for tomorrow. Okay, it is Wednesday evening now. I just got home from school not too long ago and I took a shower. Push, Bubba's, push. Come on, good boy. How my student teaching works is I have to submit my lesson plans tonight. I need to be finished with all of my lesson plans for next week. So I have a system, so since I teach 3 classes, write all of my lesson plans for the next week for 1 class on Monday, the 2nd class on Tuesday, and the 3rd class on Wednesday night. And then on Thursday, me and my mentor teacher talk about all of the lesson plans, any adjustments that I need to make, and then I can change them before my university supervisor looks over them. So that is what I am working on today, and I'm almost done with my ones for next week. I'm teaching child development and I'm teaching about the theorists this next week, and I'm just trying to think of a good way to do it. I hate doing just PowerPoints and notes. Like, no student likes that, so I'm trying to find a different way. So I wanted to show you guys how I lesson plan. So I always do it on Google Docs. Here is my date that I'm teaching the lesson up here. Then I put the strand and the standard from the state curriculum. Here is where I would write my objective for the lesson, and then these are the learning targets that I give the students. So those are I can statements. And then if I have a bell ringer, I'll write down what the bell ringer is here and have a hyperlink to the PowerPoint for that lesson. This lesson is not going to have a bell ringer, so I'm going to delete that. And then I'll introduce the topic to them. Here's like my main instruction, and then practice is like where I release the students to practice the information, whether that's like a learning activity or group discussion, stuff like that. Then I sometimes will move this assessment row to be somewhere up here, but otherwise I'll just say what my assessment plan is. So it's me monitoring them as they are learning about the theorists and whether or not they have too many questions, whether I need to like review something again. And then I talk about how I close, just bringing the students back together, talking about the learning targets again. And then in this column, I write down how long I'm anticipating every step to take. And then these are the learning targets. So each step should relate back to at least one of these. So that is just kind of like a brief overview of how I lesson plan. I am just going to finish up these lesson plans for tomorrow, and you guys are gonna watch. Okay, Okay, so I just finished, well, not just, a while ago, like an hour ago, I finished my lesson planning. Just spent a little bit of time relaxing, and then I prepared, my husband is still at school, so I prepared my lunch, and then his lunch is in the fridge for him for tomorrow. I'm already pretty much ready for bed. I just need to brush my teeth, plug in my laptop. I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna sign off the vlog here. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. So I'm at the school. I'm wearing this, it's a dress, this like kind of a rust color with white polka dots. I'm wearing a brown cardigan right now. And then I'm wearing my Air Force Ones because I wrecked my feet yesterday and they were so bruised on the bottom this morning, like it hurt to just stand. So I'm like, I gotta take care of my feet today. Hey guys, I'm currently alone in the classroom. It's lunchtime, so I'm eating some Brazil nuts. Just finished my sandwich and now I'm just responding to the messages that I've missed all morning. So nothing super interesting. Here's my classroom. I'm teaching 2 more periods today and then it's time to go home.
A piece of art. I could sit and
okay. So I'm home now. I had to stay at the school for a little bit longer than I normally do. I was there until about 4:30. Normally I leave by 3:15. I have a conference tomorrow and Saturday. So I printed out my schedule for that and my registration. And then me and Trevor have a little seminar tonight where a couple people that my mom work with, one's a realtor, one is a mortgage officer, they are putting on a seminar for first-time home buyers, which me and Trevor are trying to buy a house. Not trying to, we're planning on buying a house in August. So after I get my job and stuff. So we are going to that. It starts at 6:30, it's 6 now. So in about 15 minutes we will head down there. So I will talk to you guys later. Hello again from my dark car. I'm still at home right now. It is about 6:40. I'm waiting for my windshield to defrost and then I am heading up to the Walmart by the school that I'm student teaching at. I have to pick up our Walmart order for my classes today. We are cooking, wearing a black t-shirt, a leopard skirt, and then my Nike Air Force Ones because that's what my feet can handle. If you guys would like a teaching outfits of the week or student teaching outfits of the week video, let me know. I think that could be a fun video to do. I feel like I'm kind of getting into my groove with cute but business casual clothing. So last night the seminar was really good. I didn't talk to you guys after because I got home really late, but it was really good. It was nice to just get some reassurance that me and Trevor are in the right spot. Do have a conference today and tomorrow. I have a conference tonight after school and then tomorrow morning. So that's what's going on today and tomorrow. So maybe I will see you at school. If not, I will see you after. Okay, you guys, hello. So I am now at the high school. I am about to go in for my conference. The conference is at the high school, a high school. I am about to go in. I'm trying to get a hold of a couple people that I know to see if they're already here so that I don't have to be alone. It's packed. So I'm gonna leave you guys in the car so that I'm not carrying too much. And I will see you guys later. Bye. So I just got done. I'm still at the high school. I just got done with my conference for tonight and I have to be back here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Hey guys, it's about 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. I just got back home from the conference. It was really good today. I went to 3 different classes, I believe. Overall, super good conference. I'm really glad that I went. I think I'm gonna sign off the vlog here because I'm really not going to be doing anything even remotely worth filming for the rest of the weekend. It's relaxing and writing my TWS. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was an interesting vlog for you guys. Let me know if you'd like to see more vlogs like this. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.